And we are excited to know the next category and the winner. Can we see the next category on the stage? Okay, the next category is Excellence in Packaging Machinery. And the winner is, please read it, sir.
And the Excellence in Packaging Machinery Award goes to Mondelez India Foods Private Limited.
Yes, it's Mondelez India Foods Private Limited. And to collect the award, I would like to call Mr. Dheeraj Mishra and team. Please come on the stage and let's give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Come on. Many congratulations to Mr. Dheeraj Mishra and Mr. KL Kanta and to the team on receiving this amazing and hard-working reward.
Thanks, Synnex, for choosing us. This is an effort to bring everything good together: packaging, machinery, product, and the environment and people. So, I would like to dedicate this award to the entire team who has worked for in the background. Thank you.
Thank you so much and many congratulations to you and to your team. Let's give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Come on.